Hello, Mike? This is funny. This is for you, because you're not home. Uh-oh. This doesn't last for very long. Get in the video! This is for you, Mike. This is for you. Oh, this is really sucky. Shit, I lost my hole again. I think my mom's gonna be really sad when she sees this video. I sound like Fred. Fred! Yes, I'm still 5 years old. Pop your balloon and get in the video. I think this is what he does before all of his videos. Oh my god. This helium tastes like chronic. Ah. Pop it with your teeth. Pop it with your teeth. Totally. This is totally my normal voice.
The helium is running out.
It's totally running out. How come your voice doesn't sound so weird? Totally good. Totally good show right here.
I know. My voice doesn't sound different at all.
Your voice totally doesn't sound different. You have to suck more air in.
Look at my balloon.
Suck it in. Ooh, there it goes. Mike, you're total cholo.
I don't think. Oh,
Yeah, there it goes. Because he leans like a cholo. Oh, no. My balloon's totally under.
It didn't work for me as long.
Because I lean like a cholo. Elbows up, side to side. 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 This is totally way too far down. Suck your balloon.
Is it still working?
No.
Wait a minute.
I was trying to cut our balloons.
I lost my hole.
This thing keeps going dark.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Let me take a
I
little
keep
proof
laughing
of that.
at it. Then it's really wet.
That's okay.
Because I can't find the hole.
Here, I'll bite a hole.
Suck that bitch in.
I got that hole. Take that shit out of it. Oh, what the fuck? It doesn't last as long as my balloon.
Let's get a helium tank just to do this.
Let's get a helium tank just to do this.
I agree.
I totally agree. I wish it would last for like an hour. So I could sound like Fred. Fred from Nickelodeon. If you guys don't know who that is, then you suck.
Oops.
So chronic. Tastes like ass. Oh man, this is 3.5 minutes.